Best air fryers. Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer. Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify cooking for large families or gatherings. With a 7-quart megazone and basket divider, this air fryer allows you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously, using the Smart Finish feature to ensure both items are cooked perfectly and finish at the same time. This feature is ideal for preparing complete meals like chicken and fries, or a combination of proteins and vegetables, without the need for multiple appliances. The 6-in-1 functionality offers a range of cooking options, including air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, reheating, and grilling. This flexibility makes it a go-to appliance for a variety of cooking styles, whether you're making crispy fries, roasting a whole chicken, or baking a cake. Its family-sized capacity accommodates large proteins and full meals, making it perfect for feeding multiple people. The air fryer technology cooks food with little to no oil, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods while still delivering crispy, flavorful results. The black finish gives the appliance a sleek, modern look that will complement any kitchen. The basket divider allows you to separate different ingredients, cooking them in the same basket while preventing cross-contamination of flavors. This is particularly useful when preparing meals with different cooking times or temperatures. In summary, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a powerful, versatile, and convenient appliance for large households. With features like the 7QT Megazone, Smart Finish Cooking, and the Basket Divider, it simplifies meal prep and cooking, providing crispy, delicious meals with ease and efficiency. Number 2. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance designed to make cooking fast, easy, and healthier. With a 6-quart capacity, it's large enough for family-sized meals while maintaining a compact footprint that fits easily on your countertop. The air fryer offers 9 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, dry, reheat, frozen, broil, proof, and fast turbo modes, making it ideal for a variety of recipes, from crispy fries to baked goods. The turbo mode ensures faster cooking times, while the precise temperature control, ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allows for even cooking and customizable results. Whether you're cooking delicate foods or roasting meats, the temperature flexibility ensures your meals are cooked to perfection. The air fryer reduces the need for oil by up to 95%, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying while still delivering crispy, flavorful results. The non-stick, easy-to-clean basket makes cleanup simple, while the even heat distribution ensures consistent results throughout the cooking process. Its gray finish gives it a modern, stylish look that will blend seamlessly into any kitchen decor. In addition to its versatility, the Cosori air fryer is designed with safety and convenience in mind. Its auto shut-off feature prevents overcooking, and the user-friendly controls allow for easy operation, even for beginners. In summary, the Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a powerful and efficient appliance that offers a wide range of cooking functions with precise temperature control. Its large capacity, fast cooking times, and health-conscious design make it a great addition to any kitchen, perfect for preparing a variety of meals with minimal oil and hassle. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is a high-performance countertop oven designed for versatility and convenience. Featuring a sleek brushed stainless steel exterior, this oven not only looks stylish but also complements modern kitchen designs. It combines the functionality of an air fryer with the power of a conventional oven, offering 11 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and more. This makes it perfect for a wide range of recipes, from crispy snacks to full meals. The Smart Element IQ technology ensures even heat distribution, optimizing the temperature for each cooking mode and providing precise cooking results. The oven's powerful heating element can reach temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it fast and efficient for air frying, baking, and roasting. The air fryer feature allows for healthier cooking, reducing the need for oil while still producing crispy, golden results. With a generous 25-liter capacity, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer can fit a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or even a 4.4-pound chicken, making it suitable for families or small gatherings. The oven also includes a non-stick tray, wire rack, and crumb tray, which are easy to remove and clean. The LCD display provides intuitive controls, and the smart functions adjust time and temperature automatically for added convenience. With its auto shut-off feature, it ensures safe operation, giving you peace of mind during cooking. In summary, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is a versatile, powerful, and stylish appliance that combines air frying and oven functionality in one. Its even heat distribution, easy-to-use controls, and large capacity make it a great addition to any kitchen for preparing a variety of dishes with ease and precision. Number 4. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance designed to help you cook healthier meals with ease. With its 4-in-1 functionality, this air fryer can air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, making it ideal for preparing a wide variety of foods. Whether you're cooking crispy fries, juicy meat, roasted veggies, or even dehydrated snacks, this air fryer offers the convenience of multiple cooking options in one compact unit. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for small to medium-sized meals, making it a great choice for individuals or families. Despite its compact design, it provides ample room for cooking a variety of ingredients at once, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The air fryer uses little to no oil, reducing fat content by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods, allowing you to enjoy crispy, flavorful food with fewer calories. With its fast cooking times and even heat distribution, the Ninja Air Fryer delivers consistent results every time. It's especially effective for cooking frozen foods, veggies, and meats, producing a perfect crispiness without the need for excessive oil. The easy-to-use controls and simple interface make it user-friendly, while the non-stick basket ensures quick and easy cleanup. In summary, the Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a versatile and compact appliance that delivers healthier, delicious meals with less oil. Its 4-in-1 functionality, quick cooking times, and even heat distribution make it an excellent addition to any kitchen, perfect for those looking to enjoy easy, healthy meals without sacrificing flavor. Number 5. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-Quart Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD Air Fryer is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance designed for quick and easy meal preparation. With 6 cooking functions, including air fry, broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, and reheat, this air fryer offers a wide range of cooking options for a variety of foods. Whether you're making crispy fries, roasting chicken, dehydrating fruits, or baking treats, the Vortex Plus delivers delicious results with minimal effort. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or those preparing meals for a group, offering enough room to cook a full meal in one go. The air fryer uses rapid air circulation to cook food evenly, resulting in crispy textures with up to 95% less oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. With 100+ in-app recipes, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus makes meal planning and cooking even easier. The app provides step-by-step instructions for creating a variety of dishes, helping you make the most of your air fryer's features. Its user-friendly controls and intuitive display make it easy to select the right cooking function and temperature, even for beginners. The dishwasher-safe basket ensures easy cleanup after every use, while the modern black finish gives the appliance a sleek, stylish look that will complement any kitchen. In summary, The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a powerful and convenient appliance that combines multiple cooking functions in one device. Its large capacity, easy-to-use controls, and healthier cooking options make it a great addition to any kitchen, perfect for preparing quick, easy, and delicious meals with minimal cleanup.